नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself Dr. Ajay Jatolia, Assistant Professor, Department of Community Medicine, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today we will discuss about medicinal development. Chinese medicine, world's first organized body of medical knowledge dating back to 2700 BC, based on two principles: the yang active masculine principle and the yin negative feminine principle. Balance of the two opposing force meant good health. Hygiene, dietetics, hydrotherapy, massage, drugs were all used. Early pioneers of immunization. The The great doctor is one who treats not someone who is already ill but someone not yet ill. Barefoot doctors, acupuncture, Egyptian medicine, one of the oldest civilizations. Now about ancient Egypt, because the invited picture writing and recorded their doings on papyrus. The art of medicine was mingled with religion. Egyptian physicians were co-equals of pirates trained in schools within the temples. There were no practical demonstrations in anatomy. Imhotep, famous as a statesman, architect, builder of the step pyramid at Sequoia and physician. Imhotep was considered both a doctor and divinity. Specialization prevailed in Egyptian times. Eye doctors, head doctors, and tooth doctors. Egyptian medicine was far from primitive. They believed that disease was due to absorption from the intestine of harmful substances, which gave rise to putrefaction of blood and formation of pus. They believed that the pulse was the speech of the heart. Catheterics, enema, blood letting, and a wide range of drugs. The best known medical manuscripts belonging to the Egyptian times are the Edwin Smith Papyrus (3000 to 2500 BC) and the Ebers Papyrus (1150 BC). Cas- Castor oil, tannic acid, opium, turpentine, gentian, senna, minerals, and root drugs were all used. A great number of diseases are reported in the papyri such as worms, eye diseases, diabetes, rheumatism, polio, and schistosomiasis. Schistosomiasis. They built planned cities, public baths, and underground drains. Knowledge of inoculation against smallpox, the value of mosquito nets, and the association of plague with rats. Their god of health was Horus. मेसोपोटामियन मेडिसिन मेसोपोटामियन मेडिसिन में civilization in the land which lies between the Euphrates and Tigris rivers. The basic concept of medicine were religious and thought and practiced by herb doctors, knife doctors, and spell doctors. Parallels our own internists, surgeons, and psychiatrists, cradle of magic and necromancy. Medical students were busy in classifying demons, the cause of disease, geomancy, the interpretation of dreams, and hepatoscopic divination. Hammurabi, a great king, governed the conduct of physicians and provided for health practices. Laws relating to medical practice, including fees payable to physicians for satisfactory satisfactory services and penalties for harmful therapy. Hammurabi reflected a high degree of social organization. The medicine of his time was devoid of any scientific foundation. Greek medicine 460 to 136 BC. They taught men to think in terms of why and how. Asclepius. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.